Alkaline consider youngest and the baddest again?
Not the youngest, but the baddest.
A few moments later.
No man, baddest team fans them and theme world.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Can't say my baddest now, dog. The baddest, who you think could be the baddest right now? Chronicle, dog.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, you know a thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People, you don't know. This is promotional purposes. You understand? So people, Alkaline ticket watch at Barclays in the March 21st. Yeah, man, to go loud. But you don't know. Them run out again. It's a part 3. You understand? But, you what them I say?
Here, New York in the Barclays Center. 12 days?
Mm-hmm.
So that means tickets supposed to be sold out by now then, because ticket they go hard, so the show is supposed to fully sold out now. You not enough space for breeze coming in now.
I want to check.
Yeah.
Check-in time, ticket. Yo, that's what I'm telling you, dog. Alkaline are really greatest, brother. Brother, yo, them money have to really rate Alkaline for them, dog. May I tell you?
And this is a formal advertisement to show and update for show. Because like we say, a win for the show is a win for dancehall and reggae music.
That's so I'm gonna know.
People, I told them realize the show are sell out, you know. That's a matter about promotional purposes and all of them something. Because when the ticket them just start drop, hear them now? Blue sea, this, that, rare. A shame then shame now.
And a win for the artists too.
So I'm gonna know.
And me see artists make a post, like him show 2 album and then share like a new one out for drop, so.
Yo, the dog show almost sold out, dog.
Nice. It's about 90% sold out.
It's about 75, 80, 75. But dog,
So how many look what there? It says 75 about that, then it look like about 50%. Then it look like you get what really are going to show there?
dog, ticket master. Look like ticket master. A log. Check your phone.
My name's a ticket master log to write it. I know you. This is when you pull up something and understand certain things, you see me? But as I say, March 21st, I don't know anything set. New rules.
You know, so them must try the crowd. Alright. The youth have enough pulling power, but
You see them show ya? You see them seat ya? Them seat ya go leg in the last couple of days.
yeah.
Ain't sure go sold out. Ain't sure go sold out, dog.
But why come like a style of one? Like them a try style the crowd.
Dog, ticket master just a log me, G. The whole heap of people, they can't get your update in time, you see me?
Okay, no people are run go by now.
You see me?
And whole stadium them a use.
Look so. Well, not behind the stage still, but you know. Them a use 7-8 size stadium or 6-8 size stadium. Dog, sure go sold out, dog.
Yo, people. I tell you, brother, you see, we all them hate to write it. You see? Then can't hold back a vendetta, boss. Only thing I got, I get shame and look like fool on the internet. You see me? That's all I got to broke. Not for one know the true potential of the artist and the powers of the artist have. You understand? And I know March 21st, we're not going to realize what I want.
Good look for dancehall. Good look for your culture.
And good look for him with his album release.
But yo, you know, me feel say man drop him album a day before, you know.
Then I tell you, say, you use him for use a show ya for promote the album too. Like, Intact trying to show you the album, you see me? I don't have to drop yet.
Don't make.
The only people that talk about that must be me and you and him.
No man, he make whole heap of black side him yesterday.
The album that it not really pull no weight. And this I know him, the man that job album are over.
People, promotional purposes. Him just say a while ago say album not pull no weight. How the album not pull no weight and the album not drop yet? And you say it not pull no weight, but you see him one I talk about it. If the album not pull no weight, brother, you would remember about it. But that's how you go still. Me's a man where a bag of man listen to talk. You see it?
That album, it was more talked about.
But
And
Top Price
way
wasn't
more
talked about,
songs,
dog.
way more songs on the area. Who talk about him?
Remember my last album, Top Price?
Mm-hmm.
With the song Ocean Wave, where they put it on hostage. It wasn't that much of a talk about.
Then how you know he sang them so? People, let me tell you what go on. You say Alkaline ticket watcher? Him usually run with the Alkaline thing, you know, but let me tell you what make him in him feelings now. See? I realize say through one he must go say something and the vendetta people him never rate to him say. And him start beat him. Then he go do one live a ball. But yo, we Alkaline people them this and that. Alkaline fans them like they want this, man. You understand? So after that, a be a hatred with the artist. You see me?
You see me?
Yeah, and the album do good.
Not really.
So that's why I say then don't go down the same road there. Maybe you need to get more thought about because you tried it already, and it never get talked about and it end up flop. So change up something.
You can't say.
Man say album flop and them there talk about it. Look how much the album released since from 2021. And you there talk about the album. All this man talk about 2 songs in the album. Jano. The mad people them, you know. Jano, I tell you say yo, Alkaline just do what him have to do and I'm mad about them money to write it. Jano, bro, like, bro, I can't believe say, yo, Alkaline is the greatest dog. I tell you, cause brother, for you have a time for you pull up a man ticket every time and I say, yo, this change, worse yeah, change the argument every time. Sure say the artist great.
Because
Keep them out,
well, it no do as expected because my previous album they do good in a dancehall. So it's it never do as good as it's expected. And me can make my predictions. But if him drop an album now with the song them him release where on the album when me not think them song they do no good for the album. And the album to me yeah, you never left a mark for dancehall.
Top Price, I feel.
Yo. When them man attack dog, you just don't say a be a the man say yo, the album ain't not gonna left no mark. Me don't know how to do it, dog. So what happened now, people? If you have realized, seen Alkaline show about to soul out, right? Them know that, you know. So look here now, no more hating train. It a go sold out. So you know what them a do now? Them a play Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi. Them a move the goalpost now. I carry go album. This are them there right now. But hear what them a say.
1,527 copies is selling that first week.
Okay.
And then if you combine streaming and song sale, bringing a total equivalent album number to 2,957. How much copy New Levels is sell? I guess.
Big album that.
New Levels.
Remember a while ago him say big album, you know, people. You hear what him say after this?
You can see. That's right. Hold on, this right?
Well done, 10G.
New Levels unlocked sold 741 copies in its first week.
Who? 700?
Yeah, but remember, you know that 10 years ago, you know.
Yeah, where
Streaming.
this is streaming never reload.
Yeah.
So back in a them time, the people, I think 2016, New Level unlocked. See? Dancehall wasn't really made in album like that. Like when you talk about reggae, Billboard when it comes to album, not even Bob Marley, I think. Them time they like that. As since after the album there. Seeing? As since after the album there. And then, you know, she did like New Level Unlock. It's just like it's an impactful album that. You see me? It's like nobody never that pre-album back in them days until when Alkaline released No Never Unlock. You see me? And then Bob them after that, Bob them a chat, be a number one. You see me? Cause them a say, yo, cause the way how the impact where Alkaline did a carry with him album, it opened a lot of doors and people I say, what go on? And I say, yo, what is? How the youth just bust and come get number one? So that change every narrative, people, may I tell you. You see it? And for you, we have a number one album. Trust me, it's a good look for the artist. And him just forward in a game. You see me?
No, that no come. So that would have been good then, right?
I guess. Let me so much copy. Massacre 48.
So I'm going to pull up Massacre now.
That I want next. That in the top 5 best dancehall album.
Hold on. Oh my God. Yo, now we go put some respect on Blood Clot Massacre name now. Massacre 48 sold 2,800 equivalent album units in its first week.
Okay.
Alright. But that's how dogs ain't rich.
Where sell today? Up to today.
Sold over 50,000 units in United States.
Wait there, people, wait there, cause more and I'll pull it back with Massacre thing. You see it?
Respect on Blood Clot Massacre name now. Massacre.
Same at 2,800 and something. You see me? Alkaline they sell more than this. You see it? Cause I think a 1,500 copy. Alkaline. Let me see. I'm go back to Alkaline one. You see it? Top price. So top price sold 1,527 copy in the first week. You see me? With the total equivalent album numbers 2,957. You see it? And then Massacre one now 438. 438 sell. Wait there. 438 sell. 2,864. Is this Alkaline sell more for the first week? Copies in pure seal. Yeah. You see me, but Alkaline album better to me. You see me, cause at the end of the day, Massacre album is a bugger. Alkaline album I just him alone. You see me? But it's still a masterpiece. And him get its song out of it. Massacre album now. You see, because it was a hype around Massacre thing and the guys that did push him them time there and all of them little thing there. And that's why. You understand? Because look, you know, a lot of collaboration him get on the album. They say you don't know other fan base are gonna push the album and all of them little thing there. You see it? But Alkaline always a carry female album alone. You see me?
She sold 2,800 equivalent album units in its first week.
Okay.
Alright. But that's how dogs ain't rich.
Where sell today? Up to today.
Sold over 50,000 units in United States, combining physical sales, digital downloads, and streaming equivalent.
That can give goal?
Bumbleclad. People, I'm not gonna ask if that can give Massacre goal. John know that. I tell you about them money.
Well, somewhere else, not in the US.
Okay, so if we think you say man go 600,000, but if you are upcoming dancehall artist good.
That's what 2016. Hardball.
Alkaline consider youngest and the baddest again?
Not the youngest, but the baddest.
Same way. And that's something to be debated about, but yeah.
No man, baddest thing fun is a man film world.
People, hear what a mad youth you go say after this. You see me, I'm mad man this.
Yeah, I say my baddest now, dog. The baddest, who you think could be the baddest right now?
The thing is no dance.
Chronicler, dog. There's no debate about it. Chronicler.
Yo, People, where them brother you asleep? Under cave. Brother, that one I worst thing me hate about. Chronic law, better than alkaline. You're sick in a head, dude. Like you're sick to bomb, but brother, right now Chronic law just a drop song to get some views on YouTube and collect him money, brother. I don't know what you talk about, brother. Baddest. Brother, amount of artists killed Bomba Chronic law in a clash, brother. You understand? Alkaline rub him out. Jamie rub him out. And where they Mali than him. And him have to run for a clash. Brother, baddest what? You're sick in the head, bro. I just a bag of chatting, man, depend, bro. You see me? Bag of chatting. Is it?
There's no debate about it, who else, dog?
Yeah, because we don't see nobody's at the way man do.
Exactly. Chronic law, dog.
The man are madman, people. Man, I gotta say, yo, him not see nobody who do what Chronic law do. What Chronic law do? People in the comment, tell me what Chronic law do. Because I don't know, I don't really know what Chronic law do. You don't need to tell me what I go on. I don't know what Chronic law. The only thing I know right now what Chronic law do, I sit down on some concrete with some bagger man. So I don't know what you talk about, brother. But what Chronic law do and all of them little thing there. You have madman, dog. Chronic law not ready for in an alkaline league yet, brother. He need more work. Him just a drop a bag of song, people. You understand? That's a bag of song. He might release all 100 songs for the year. You see me? But doing that, it still not help him career. You see me? The man say yeah, my more stream and all of them look something there, but with the big impact what we see with Chronic law. Chronic law now that, brother. You see me? So I don't know what matter about people. But as me say, people them go get on a ticket March 21st. Yeah, man, we get on a ticket for Barkley show. I don't know that set already. That will be historical moment. You see me? That me telling the people. You see me? And people, respect for the support, you know. Yeah, man, respect for the support. And remember this, people. Check out my IG page. You don't know Media Facts. You see me? If you don't want to send me nothing, you don't know. Just send me in my inbox my Instagram. I think a Media Facts. Media.facts876, something like so. You see me? Yeah, so. I don't know what things but big up everybody to support the movement. You see it? Yeah, man. We just stay safe out there. You see it? Yeah, man, because the roads get rough and the roads get tough at times. You see me? So you have to just watch what you do and watch your situation you put yourself in. You see it? Yeah, man, life out there if you live down. Yeah, man, but when you don't know, I want Media Facts pan it up, man. You know things said. You see me? Yeah. That is it.